To the members of the University of Makati community, a good day. Today marks a historical feat again for the University of Makati, as UMAK is among the 121 Philippine universities that made it to the Times Higher Education Impact Rankings 2025. We made it in 3 SDGs. SDG 3, good health and well-being. SDG 4, quality education. And SDG 17, partnership for the goals. This is historic because it's the first time that the University of Makati joined these impact rankings. And on our first try, we were among the 121 Philippine universities that made it. We would like to congratulate our entire UMAK community for this feat. This is history in the making for the university. And I know that we can do better next time. Ito po ay kasama sa adhikain natin na palakasin ang University of Makati, lalo na tumugon sa mga SDGs na inihatag ng United Nations. This is also our response to the city's call to be active participants in ensuring that the local government of Makati is also responsive to the calls on the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. So para po sa lahat na nagtatrabaho sa University of Makati, kasama po ang ating mga estudyante, kasama po pati yung mga admin personnel, mga guro natin, congratulations po sa ating lahat. Ito po ay tagumpay hindi lamang ng University of Makati, hindi lamang ng mga Philippine higher educational institutions, kung hindi tagumpay para sa buong bansa. At aasahan po natin na sa susunod na taon, lalo pang tataas ang ranking ng University of Makati. Gaya ng pinangako po natin nung una akong maupo bilang presidente ng UMAK, we set one of the goals is for UMAK to be the first globally recognized LUC. We did that on our first year, being the first LUC to win an award in WURI. And now, on our first try, sabi ko nga po, dito sa Times Higher Education, we made it right away. Marami pa po tayong kailangang pag-aralan, marami pa po tayong kailangang gawin, marami pa po tayong kailangang ayusin, ngunit naniniwala po ako sa pagtutulungan po nating lahat, we can really make an impact in the lives of every Filipino, in the lives of every people, and in the lives of every citizen, may it be here in our country and the rest of the world. So muli po, in behalf of the management of the University of Makati and also the City Government of Makati, mabuhay po tayong lahat and congratulations po sa ating lahat.